Mail call, August 12th, 2020. Hey folks, it's Papa. Papa, Texas. That's right. We're going to do two here real quick because I'm running late on this. Yes, I am. Alright, we'll be right back. Real quick, this is Papa Texas website, YouTube site. Check out all them playlists. Go click on a playlist and there's a ton of stuff down in there to see, especially Papa's Kitchen and Papa Texas, Papa's Funny. If you get bored, go check some of those out. You're welcome to subscribe to Papa Texas. Hit that little red bell, or hit that little red button, and hit that dinner bell so you know when it's dinner time at Papa Texas's house. Yeah. Alright, we're fixing to get onto these. Next week, I should be revealing my two old boards and my new board with all the stickers on them. That'll be next week. Alright, come back and join me then. Hit that subscribe and you'll know when it's time. You'll know when it's time. And this Sunday, we got a special video coming out. Maddie and I are fixing to do the cook here in just a minute. It's called Bacon Jam Burgers. You heard it here. Bacon Jam. Sunday with Papa Texas. Yeah. Oh, and as always, Uncle Steve Shake. If you want some Uncle Steve Shake, you've been seeing these videos coming around here. You're welcome to go down. The link to him is down there. And if you need something from Amazon, you can click on that and help little old Papa Texas channel out. Alright, advertisement's over. Let's get on with these two. Alright, I'll show these two channels real quick and then I'll show you what mail they sent me. This is Anson and Gladys over, it's called Ivy's Forge and Homestead, Virginia Beach, Virginia. That's right. And he's a veteran, and he's a proud veteran, which he should be. And you know what he's doing? Let's go here real quick. So he's got a challenge that he's doing right here. There's his beard, there's no beard. So you need to go over there and see the Beard Up Challenge 2020. I'm not going to tell you any more about it. You'll be finding that out from him. That's what their sticker looks like. And there's Gladys doing a Cooking with Gladys Real Mexican Cheese Enchiladas. And he goes live on Tuesdays. That's right. Alright, they got a lot of stuff going on over there. You're going to learn something. You're going to learn something. And they're really sweet, nice people. Alright, and we'll show you their mail here in just a minute. The links to both, there's two channels, the links to them will be down below, and they'll be down below, yeah. Alright, that's Ivy's Forge and Homestead. This one here is Jerry's Wood Shop and Outdoors, and I got something more than a sticker from him. You want to wait and see what that is. He handmade me something. Alright, that's where the wood shop and workshop comes in, because he does more than wood shop work. Now, why does he have 920,000 views this last month? Well, they're at Sturgis. And he's, let's go back here, let's go to videos. So right now he's at Sturgis and he's putting some long videos out there. And he's picking up the views from that. Plus, he's talking about the election coming up. Alright, let's repeat that. I'm going to take that part out. Got to cut it out. Anyway, so he is talking about the election coming up and some things going on there if you have an interest in that. Alright, and he's talking about a couple other things going on the... You just got to go over there and watch it. I don't want to say some words, you know. Kayaking, cooking, working in his shop, making knives. Hint, hint. There's one in here for me, but... Anyway, go check him out. Jerry's pretty cool. He's in Princeton, West Virginia. We got a Princeton, Texas, just about 5 minutes from here. That's right. Alright, y'all go check both these channels out. And I'll turn you around and let's see what they gave me. Alright, we're going to start off with Anson. See what we got in here. Got a couple different stickers. Here's the main one that I was looking forward to. Check that out. That's a cool sticker. Don't you want one of them? Sure enough. Yeah. Alright. They give me two of them. One for Maddie. We like Maddie to have one too. No, but we got We got 2 of these. We got 2 of these. And 1 of these. You know whose board's going at. Maddie's board is gonna, well, we've got to get her second board. She's filling up that first board. I had to show one more thing. That's Anson's Maker Mark. That's pretty cool. 2 leather thingies here with his Maker Mark. Appreciate it, Anson. Now with Jerry. Bam. It's in here. Let me open it, and this is handmade. Check that out. He made this with his own hands for Papa. Handle. Check that out. I don't need a knife in today's cook, but we'll be using this in some cooks, and I'll be saying his name. Jerry gave me that. Yeah. That's what we have. Next Wednesday, we will have a couple more, and maybe, I don't know how we'll do it. We're going to reveal my new board and its update and my 2 old boards. Y'all stick with me on this. It's almost over. People, it can't be that painful. Alright, we will see y'all Sunday. Bacon jam burgers. That's right, with haystacks on them. I am so excited because we've never had a bacon jam before. I know people make it, but I bought it. H-E-B in Midland, Texas. That's right. It's Papa. Papa Texas back there somewhere. Y'all stay safe. Be careful. Stay 6 feet apart. See you.